welcome back to my channel Glowing Angel. Friends, you can guess today's topic by the thumbnail itself. Yes, today I'm gonna review my favorite, these 3 best colorful eyeshadow palettes for the beginner. And if you are a beginner who loves to play with colors and like to create different looks like me, then this video is for you. And today I've created this eyeshadow look with these 3 palettes. So let's get started.
Before starting, I wanna say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. At first, I'm starting with this SFR Hated with Love Press Pigment palette, which is my current favorite now, and I bought it from my Insta store at 750 rupees only. The details I'm mentioning in the description box, you can check it out. It's a huge palette you can see with 63 colorful eyeshadows, and all the details of the ingredient list are mentioned over here in the back, and I just love the sleek and cute packaging of this palette. Now look at the colors, how beautiful and pigmented they are, especially the parrot green, orange and this blue one. But some of the colors are little bit powdery, but you can build it up. It's a combo of press glitter, matte, shimmer, all type of shadows in one palette, and that's really great for the beginners. All the shadows have different names also, and lastly it comes with a mirror, which I like most in this palette. So that's all about this palette. I am attaching the picture of all the swatches for you all. Maybe it will help you to understand the pigmentation of this palette. The next I have the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette. It also has detailed ingredient list mentioned over here in the back side of the palette. It's a beautiful 35 color eyeshadow palette and the most pigmented palette you can say. I just love this yellow and green color especially, and the pink one is also very much pigmented. I bought it at 13.99 from my Insta store. The detail I am mentioning in the description box, you can check it out. This palette is a combination of both nude and colorful shades as well as matte and shimmer. I am attaching the picture of all these swatches. May it will help you to understand how pigmented and beautiful the shades are. The last I have my most favorite, this Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. It also has detailed ingredient list on the back side of the palette. The outer packaging is really very glittery. It's a really gorgeous palette like its name, and I bought it at 13.99 rupees only. It's a 63 color eyeshadow palette, contains all sort of colors which you can use not only to create different various kind of eyeshadow look, but also you can use it to fill your eyebrows and you can use it for contouring. All the colors are really beautiful and pigmented you can see. If you are a beginner and want to invest in just one palette, then this is the one for you. You can surely invest in this palette. Here is the picture of all the swatches. I am gonna create this look now using the 3 palettes. At first I am taking this shade from the SFR Hated with Love palette and applied it into the outer corner of my eyes. Now I am taking this beautiful purpley shade and applied it into the outer corner to darkening the previous shade a little bit. Now it's time to take the second color, and I am taking the pink one from the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette and blending it well with the first color into my outer eye area. I'm again retouching the purple color into my outer corner from the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette. I am taking this 2 beautiful orange shade from the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette and applied it here into the top of the purple color. Now I am taking this beautiful sky blue eyeshadow from the SFR Hated with Love palette and applied it into my eyelids. I am taking this shade from the Gorgeous Me palette and applied it into my crease line and outer corner. Now I am again darkening my eyelid with the same sky blue eyeshadow from the ASFR Hated with Love palette. I am taking this light vibrant green color and applied it into the inner corner of my eyes. To complete the colorful vibrant look, I am taking this beautiful yellow color eyeshadow and applied it between the green and orange shade. Now I am taking this beautiful pink shade from the Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette and applied it into my lower lash line and blending it well towards my outer eye area. At last I am taking this beautiful shimmery shade from the ASFR Hated with Love palette and applied it into the inner corners of my eyes. So my angels, this is the final look. Hope you guys will like it. If you like it, then give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.